Yeah, let me see. I'll show you how all these tools integrate. So I'll show it on my website. I don't know how many of you have gone through my website. So, right. So the opening line is important. You can put your mission here and what you do, okay, and how you can help business or whatever is your expertise, okay. Now see, these are my lead magnets. When somebody has come on my page, I would direct them to my course in Learning Management Hub. So if you click on that, you are going, it will take you to the, it will ask for your contact details. This is my lead magnet. My course is a lead magnet. Some of my mini courses are lead magnets. When you do that, once you give the details, the whole flow will start. You will go into my list. You will get a welcome message from there, provided my mail does not go in promotions, right? And then you will also be taken to the course. So this is how this is how you create lead magnets on your website. Okay. So when I go to other pages, I have created a modal. I also have my book on entrepreneurship. Right. So once somebody is landed on my website, see, teach me how to do this. So if somebody wants to convert their knowledge into a business, I have this modal here, right? Now I hope my link has been changed because I was using yeah. Oh, directly it took to the course. Awesome. So I keep on experimenting with a lot of things. Okay. Earlier I was take them to my webinar, weekend webinar. Then I changed to 5-day WhatsApp class. Then I'm taking them directly to my hub. Okay. So what happens is you give more to get the contact details because your list is your asset, right? So this is one way. Now these are whatever tools that I recommend. It is all available on this page, resources.html. If you want, you can check that out. You can check that out later. Yeah. So for example, I used to be having a modal of my book and people would download my book and I would get the details. I actually created an InstaMojo free thing. Not I didn't host this anywhere. I wouldn't send that in email. I had a product created in InstaMojo. That also I will show you. Okay, so you can browse all of this, right? So now let me take you to my Learning Management Hub. Okay. So see what happens is when I am doing a Facebook post and I give my website, I do a knowledge share, I give my website, I give my YouTube video, whatever it is, I give my website details, I direct people to my website. Once they come on website, if they like any of my offering, they click on that, they come in my list, okay, in get response. For example, let me show you that as well. I'll give you a list glimpse and then because after that we can be out of this. Okay. See, all of you are in the 7th December list. I have, some of you can see your names also here. Jaya. Right, so the list is here and you would have received an email from us on once you paid but if it would have gone in promotions. See, the message was sent. You have got some message 10 minutes earlier, 1 hour before. These are the messages that have been sent to you. It gives a lot of reporting as well. Okay, a very powerful tool. Okay, so this is how an autoresponder looks. You can send broadcast from here. You can set up auto messages. In fact, if you have get response, it helps you create landing page also. What Shalini created yesterday, she's fully on get response. She's using get response to create her landing page and everything. Okay, the sign up forms that come on the website, where everything can happen via get response. Okay.